beach with Shadow. So as in we, my husband and I, we're gonna go for a walk. We're gonna go grab a latte. This week is like 80-degree weather in LA, so we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy it. It's already sunny, so yeah, let me see, it's pretty bright. He was such a good boy. He gets a Christmas treat. These are so cute. Hey you guys, I just want to get on here and do a little talking with you guys. I hope you guys been enjoying like the little vibey videos, but I can't just like give you guys montages. But yeah, this is December diaries. My birthday was the beginning of this month, and I've had a great birthday. I felt so loved, special, and beautiful. So nice to be celebrated, even though it was like something small and just intimate and just exactly what I wanted. It was really nice, and I did kind of want to focus this birthday on like getting back to me and what makes me happy. So besides like the vintage heart shaped cake that I wanted, I also wanted to like get dressed, put on a cute outfit, and like take photos. I got me like a whole new like birthday outfit. I have a really hard time with dresses. A lot of them are like not flattering in the right areas, but I found this one from Princess Polly. Let me see, it's right here because I'm gonna do a birthday haul. This is the dress from Princess Polly. It's backless and it's midi, and it has like the little like I should set you guys down, but it has the sleeves that like flare out and the bottom part like flares out, and this is like a little high neck right here, and it's just such a beautiful dress. And I just wanted to do like tights and like burgundy tights. You guys will see the picture once I edit this like on the thumbnail. And I got these really cute like heels. These are Dolce Vita. I got them from Nordstrom Rack, and they're so comfortable. These pumps, like I haven't had a shoe that has been this comfortable in such a long time. I love the simplicity of them, but then I also like this little detail of the strap in front, and it was just perfect. It was like the perfect outfit. The cake came out perfect, and my wish list was almost complete. Like I feel like it's like little things. I kind of was like, you know what, let me just get the pricier items off the list, and then and then worry about like the other little stuff. Like I think it's like a Guerlain with it's like a lipstick with a mirror. So like those little like smaller items, and I'm like, okay, I could purchase this. But let me just show you guys. Let me put you guys down. Okay, I got you guys set up on the tripod because I can't do this like that, and I haven't had a tripod in a while. One of these little, I feel a little weird. But anyways, okay, so I'm just gonna start with my birthday haul. I got a Louis bag. Look at the holiday packaging. It is beautiful. This trunk with these flowers coming out, the gold detail, gold and like silver with like blue foiling. So pretty. I'm so happy I got this when I got it like in December, because the holiday packaging is just it's gorgeous. It's giving a little Harry Potter, but I'm not mad because I love Harry Potter. I love Disney. I also love Sanrio, Hello Kitty. Yeah, so that's pretty much my whole personality. It's designer and a sprinkle of Harry Potter with Disney and Hello Kitty. So I'm not gonna do an unboxing. She's already been unboxed, but I'm gonna show you guys the box. The box doesn't have the flower trunk details, but it does have the trunks with the wings. Very much Harry Potter. And this is just what came in the box, just the dust bag and this. The SA did give me like little perfume samples, and since I'm getting into scrapbooking, the ribbon with this little detail, I was like, I can use this for either scrapbooking or I can use this as a cute little bookmark, and I just love that. So I like to reuse and repurpose stuff. But let's just go ahead and show you guys. I got the niece BB. She is beautiful. I've been wanting her for a while, and I am just ecstatic that I finally have her. I'm already using her. I have my makeup in here. I'm very minimalistic, so this is all my makeup that I have in here. I don't really use everything either, but I do have this Harry Potter palette. It honestly matches the bag pretty well. I'll probably just buy like a little insert from Amazon because just to keep it clean. And I just love her. She's so big, she's so spacious. I love that I can just toss in my skincare in here, like if I'm planning on like traveling, and everything will still fit in here, minus obviously like a bag for like hair stuff and whatnot, but at least all my face stuff like makeup and skincare will be here. Makeup remover fits, cotton rounds, all of that. And she is gorgeous. I love the vachetta. I love the patina of vachetta. I sometimes regret not getting my Speedy 25 in monogram because of the vachetta, but then I'm also glad that I didn't, because sometimes like you kind of have to take care of it. But yeah, I'm so happy I have her. She's been on my wish list for quite some time. I'm gonna keep her forever, and I'm glad I waited and not settled for a different type of vanity that I was looking for, because now I just have what I really wanted. Okay, next I did get myself this Coach purse. This is the Tabby. I've been wanting a like simple classic like black shoulder bag for like evenings, nights out, dinners, and variety in my outfits, and being able to like style certain things. I can't wear a Speedy 25 with like every outfit, or like my Alma BB. I did sell my Felicie Pouchette because I wasn't wearing her. She was too small, and I love that I was wearing her as like a shoulder bag, but she was just so thin. This little compartment is like the size of the Felicie, and I have so much more space in here, so I love that. My friend did get me this Hello Kitty for my birthday, and also this coin pouch. Love Hello Kitty too. And she did get me like a self-care like birthday gift with like PJs, a face mask, and some like skincare, so thank you. Love her for that. I also did get myself Prada sunnies. I needed a new pair of sunnies because I've been wearing my YSL cat eye tortoiseshell for like ever, so finally got a new pair. I do like to rotate like high-low, so I'll get like a tortoiseshell and like a black pair of cat eye glasses from Amazon just to like throw on for like the beach or whatever, when I don't feel like having to like take care of my stuff and make sure that I don't like forget them or leave them anywhere. But these are it. Of that, it doesn't have like the Prada like triangle, upside down triangle design, and it doesn't have like any silver. I just love that it's a continuation and it's a part of the sunglasses as opposed to like a bezel, like something poking out. So yeah, I am a big bug eye sunglasses girl through and through. I love small glasses, small frames on like other girlies. I think it's cute. I think I've tried them on. I just prefer the big bug eye glasses on me. I prefer it, and you know, I grew up with Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen, so yeah, that's pretty much it what I've got. I also got like a pair of shoes. My sister got me some like Adidas Sambas, and yeah, that is my haul. and I'll give you guys clips of like my birthday. I wanted to be present, so I didn't vlog, so I'll put a little bit of clips of like my birthday and whatnot.